Good morning, students. Now we will learn some of the methods for the measurement of the smaller dimension. Okay, like the size of an atom or size of a molecule. So Avogadro has devised a method to determine the size of an molecule. So he said that his hypothesis means he has imagined, ऐसा उन्होंने कल्पना किया था. तो he has given one hypothesis like this one: the volume of all the atoms in any mass of the substance is 2/3 of the volume occupied by that mass of a substance. जैसे for example in a substance all the atoms are arranged, ठीक है, in the well definite order. In a substance you might have learned that in the solid all the atoms are tightly packed, whereas in the liquid certain molecules are have the same spacing, and in the gases the molecules they have large spacing. Okay, so whenever the atoms are tightly packed they have certain spaces in between them left. They have certain spaces in between them. Okay, so he said that volume of all the atoms in a given mass of a substance is 2/3. मतलब किसी गिवन मास के अंदर सपोज करो कि 1 ग्राम है. अब 1 ग्राम के अंदर जो सारे एटम्स का जो वॉल्यूम है वो कितना वॉल्यूम ऑक्युपाई कर रहे हैं, तो उस सब्सटेंस का 2/3 वॉल्यूम ऑक्युपाई कर रहे हैं. बाकी 1/3 क्या है? बाकी 1/3 क्या है? खाली है. ठीक है, तो जरा समझो इसको कैसे. तो फर्स्ट वी विल कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ एटम्स by using the mole concept. We know that number of moles is equal to number of particles या number of atoms upon Avogadro number. And one more thing we know in terms of mass, that is given mass upon molecular mass. So from here we will calculate the number of atoms. Okay, so number of atoms in a given mass of a substance, that is equal to how much? M upon M into Avogadro number. Okay, volume of each atom. Volume of each atom, how much? 4/3 pi r cube. Small r is the radius of that atom. ठीक है, तो 4/3 pi r cube. So the volume of all the n atoms, how much? So can we multiply 4/3 pi r cube into m Avogadro number upon capital M? So according to the Avogadro hypothesis, so Avogadro hypothesis states that volume of all atoms is equal to 2/3 of volume of given mass of a substance. Volume of all the atoms is 2/3 of the volume of a given mass of a substance. Okay, so the volume of all the atoms is 4/3 pi r cube m n0 Avogadro number upon capital M is equal to 2/3 the volume of a given mass of a substance. So volume is how much? You know that density is equal to mass upon volume. So volume is equal to mass, given mass upon density. So from here this R can be calculated. Okay, now next method is the Rutherford method. RUTHER, Rutherford method. Here in this method, when the radius was calculated, it is of the order of 10 to the power minus 10 meter, that is of the atomic dimensions. But when we go inside the atom, a nucleus is there whose dimension is 10 to the power minus 15. So for that still smaller distances, Ernest Rutherford has developed a method. This method is also said to be the scattering method. You might have learned this in the lower classes, alpha particle scattering experiment. So here gold nucleus was there, gold nucleus, and here alpha particle. Do you know what is alpha particle? Alpha particle is a doubly charged helium nucleus. Means if two electrons are removed from the helium atom, then it will become an alpha particle. See here, alpha particle is a positively charged particle. Gold is also a positively, means a heavy charged nucleus. So when alpha particle was projected towards the gold nucleus with an kinetic energy, so it is having how much kinetic energy? That is half m into v square. But as it was moving closer and closer towards the gold foil, so what is happening? Due to the repulsion, at the center nucleus is there, so the repulsion between the positively charged and positively charged alpha particle, it is bouncing back, means slowly its kinetic energy was decreasing, and at a certain point again it has bounced back. So here can we apply the law of conservation of energy? As the alpha particle was projected towards the gold foil, the kinetic energy is decreasing and the potential energy is increasing. Here the minimum distance between them was that it's supposed to be the R0. So according to law of conservation of energy, the decrease in the kinetic energy of an alpha particle is equal to increase in the potential energy. Okay. So the kinetic energy of an alpha particle is, we know that half mv square, and increase in the potential energy. Potential energy is how much? K ZE. ZE means the atomic number of the nucleus, E is the electronic charge, and the charge of the alpha particle is how much? 2 into E upon the distance R0. Actually, the formula for the electrostatic potential energy is K Q1 Q2 upon R. Q1 is the charge of this target nucleus and Q2 is the charge of the alpha particle. We know that Q is equal to Ne. This thing we have learned in class 10. So charge of this target nucleus is N means the number of atoms, atomic number into electronic charge, and again Q2 is the charge of the alpha particle, that is I said helium, hydrogen, helium, its atomic number is how much? 2. So 2 into charge on the electron. So in this way this distance R0 is calculated, and the order of magnitude of this nuclear dimension comes out to be 10 to the power minus 15 meters. Okay, thank you.